It is Tuesday, October 6th, and this is your tropical update. Gamma has now dissipated, became post-tropical last night, and storm could produce some heavy rain over the Yucatan Peninsula, but that's pretty much it. Hurricane Delta is now a Category 4 hurricane, 145 mile per hour winds, 956 is the pressure, it's moving to the west-northwest at 17 miles per hour. And there's a look at the track currently in the storm. Not a very large system. Tropical storm force winds don't actually extend out that far. Over the next 12 to 24 hours, we do expect a landfall in the Yucatan Peninsula. Hurricane warnings up, with tropical storm warnings up surrounding that, along with parts of western Cuba. And then the storm strengthens out in the Gulf. And Friday night, we do expect a landfall somewhere in central Louisiana near Intracoastal City or Morgan City. And then the storm continues in over the weekend. By 2 p.m. Sunday, the storm is a remnant low. Go ahead and just say it now. If you live in central Louisiana, be ready for a Category 5 hurricane. There's a good chance this might happen. So let's take a look at that next 12 hours. 155 miles per hour sustained winds. And that 125 there that I just circled, that corresponds with that dot. So the current National Hurricane Center forecast expects this storm to be a strong Category 3 hurricane when it makes landfall in Louisiana Friday night. And honestly, this storm has the potential to be much stronger than that, Category 4, even Category 5. So there is the earliest reasonable arrival time for the tropical storm force winds. Currently it sits right around Thursday night at midnight for much of the Louisiana coast, and nearly 100% chance of seeing tropical storm force winds in those areas. So let's take a look. That is the most likely arrival time, more like Friday midday. So conditions will go downhill on the Gulf Coast starting Friday morning, and it will just get worse and worse throughout the day. As far as the rainfall, the good news on this system is it's going to be moving rather quickly, so only 6 to 10 inches of rain possible for parts of central Louisiana. Lesser amounts are possible farther inland. And that is all we got going on in the Atlantic right now. So let's take a look at the Eastern Pacific, where we find Tropical Storm Marie and Tropical Storm Norbert, which has just developed today. So let's take a look at Norbert first, since it's closer to land. It's basically going to be moving along to the west-northwest, parallel to the coast of Mexico. Tropical Storm Marie is barely hanging on for its life. It's pretty lopsided, 40 mile per hour sustained winds. I think that it will dissipate out in the next few hours. And then we have one more disturbance out there, no impacts to land anytime soon. Central Pacific is quiet. Thanks for watching. Please like the video down below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Follow me on Twitter and Parler. Get you a t-shirt, coffee mug, hoodie, or any other merchandise. Link for the online store is down in the description of this video. You also want to make sure that you ring the bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. And with that, thanks for watching, and stay safe here in the path of Hurricane Delta.